Swing fold cards, here's how. Begin with a sheet of 8.5 by 11-inch cardstock and cut in half at 4.25 inches. For the swing fold insert, score one of the pieces at 2 3/4, 5.5, and 8.25 inches on the long side. Turn the piece 90 degrees and score at a 1/2 inch and down to the 2 3/4 inch score line on both ends. With scissors, cut up along one end score line to the 2 3/4 inch line. Cut across, then down to remove the front panel. This will create the swing mechanism. Fold along the score lines using a bone folder. The first and second score lines are mountain folds, and the third score line is a valley fold. For the card base, score the second piece at 5.5 inches. Attach a 4 by 5.25 inch piece of DSP to the front right side. Using a punch or die cut machine, cut out a circle from the front of the card base. Now to assemble. Attach the tabs of the swing mechanism to the inside of the card base. Apply a small amount of liquid glue to each tab. Set the insert in place, lining up the tabs with the top and bottom of the card base, and close the front of the card base over the tabs. Open the card base and fold the insert to the left, showing the back side of the last panel. Apply glue to the panel and secure it to the inside of the card base, lining up the right edges. Your swing fold card should now open. Now to decorate. Stamp, ornament, and punch out using a circle die or punch. Attach the ornament to the panel showing through the circle on the front of the card base. Apply liquid glue to only the back left side of the circle. Flip over and attach it to the right side of the inside panel. If you have glue around the whole circle, it will not swing open. Attach strips of designer paper to the inside of the card. Stamp greeting. Cut an ornament topper out of glimmer paper and attach to the top of the ornament. Tie a bow out of twine or ribbon and attach it to the front of the ornament. Add embellishments. I colored opal rounds using a Calypso Coral stamping blend. To create a frame around the opening on the front end of the card, nest 2 circle dies on a piece of glimmer paper, one inside the other, and die cut. Attach the frame to the front of the card using a small amount of liquid glue to complete. Done! Swing fold cards.